Hello all, hope you are all are doing fine. In this video I am going to show you how to create courses after being a instructor here in LMS platform, which is a service of MakerMall like other services that it had. Firstly, we are going to register as an instructor, considering that I am nobody, I am an anonymous public. Okay, let's dive in. For this, let's click on the account block button. It will take you to a page where you will see a login panel. And since you are not a registered member, you will have to register from the register now button. And here I will have to provide the information. For example, I am doing it real quick. Okay, I have populated the information. Now let's register. And congratulations, I already has been registered, but I am not a instructor yet. I am a regular registered member, and I will be treated as a student here. To be an instructor, I have to click on the become an instructor button. Do you want to start your career as an instructor? Okay, apply now. Okay, and I have already been registered instructor here. Go to the dashboard. Okay, since you have been registered as an instructor, you have to wait for the admin confirmation. As soon as the admin has approved you as an instructor, you will be able to create courses there. Otherwise it won't be possible for you to create any course. Okay, for now I have assumed that the admin has approved my registration as an instructor. Now let's go to my courses. After you have been approved as an instructor, you will get access of the my courses announcement, withdraws, quiz attempts. All these steps will be accessible as soon as you have been approved by the admin. Okay, now go to my courses, and here there is no course since we did not make any. Let's create one. Click on this create a new course, and you will be redirected to a page where you can create the course. Let's create a course named what can I name it here? Like test course. Okay, and here there will be description for this course: lorem ipsum, and lorem ipsum, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm not taking too much time to create the description for it. Now here another thing is here in the description, what will you add? You will add what this course for, what is this course for, or who will be the student for this course, and all the brief introduction about the course. Then go down, scroll down, and you will see other information like maximum student, how many students you want to be included in this course. I think that would be 10 for now, or you can do this by clicking the arrow button here. Okay, for this example I am considering to give the 10 value, which means 10 students can join in this course. Difficulty level, all level, beginner, intermediate. Okay, public course. If you make it public, there is no need to make the enrollment for the students. For now I am keeping it off. Question and answer, enable question and answer section for this course. Free or paid? If it is free, then it will be free for all. There will be no payment taken for this. and if it is paid, there will be another option where you have to provide the link of the product which will be associated with this course. In that case, this course will, every paid course will be linked to a product, and that product will be created by the admin. As soon as you create a course, you can notify the admin or let the admin know that I have created a course, and in return admin will create a product for you, and that product will be linked with this course. For example, I have linked this course with this existing product. Sorry, maybe I have to create a new product for that. For now, let's assume that this product, this course is free. Okay, now let's come to the course builder. How to build the course? To build the course, you have to create a topic. You have to create the topic name, topic 1, topic summary, topic 1 summary, add topic, and the topic has been added. And in this topic there will be multiple lessons or quiz, and in the quiz there will be questions as many as you want. For now I am creating a lesson for this topic, topic 1, lesson 1, creation of world. Okay, and this is summary for lesson 1. Okay, and here is featured image, and the image that will be shown to the people publicly, and this is the video source, external source, or something else. For now I am using external source, and this source can be the link of the YouTube platform's video or any other video or something, or it can be a link of Zoom video. And here video playback time you have to give it. Okay, for now I am keeping it empty, and you can add another lesson like this, topic 1, lesson 2 summary, and all the other things will be like the previous lesson. And let's create another topic. This is topic 2, this is topic 2 summary, a topic. In this topic I create another lesson. For now I am creating a quiz for it. Example quiz, this is the quiz title for now, summary, quiz summary, and save. Now add questions for this quiz that you already created. Now question 1, what is the age of the world? Now this is true, false, or single choice or multiple choice. For now, for this one I am keeping it single choice. Answer required, you can check it to make it required field, I mean mandatory question to be answered. Then display point, what point to be assigned for this question? For now it is 1. Description, okay, and add option. Okay. Answer title, answer 1 million year. This answer also have an option to the to provide the image. I am keeping it empty for now, only text. Okay, update answer, another option, 2 million years. Update answer. Another answer, 3 million years. Update answer. And another answer, none of 10. Update answer. Okay, and here here you can choose the correct answer. For now, let's assume that this one is the correct answer and add question. Okay, this question is added. You can add another question like this. For now I am keeping it keeping the quiz for one question, and save it next. And next there is settings, time limit. This is the time which will be assigned for the whole quiz. 10 minutes or hours, day, week, whatever you want to assign to it. Okay, default is answer shown after the quiz finished, or show result after the attempt, or re-attempt quiz any number of times. Define attempts allowed below. Okay, I am keeping it default. Passing grade, 80% mark have to be achieved by the student to pass. Max questions allowed to answer. Okay, these are self-explanatory. Advanced settings, quiz auto start or quiz layout, I am keeping it default. Okay, quiz has been added. Now there is already a quiz assigned to topic 2, but you also add a lesson here. Lesson 3, I am updating it, which means in the same topic I can create quiz and lesson, multiple quiz, etc., as many as I want. Okay, I am keeping all the things default. What will I learn here? You can input the value as a description here. Targeted audience, total course duration, all will be there, and select video source. This is the course intro video, by the way. It can be given from the YouTube link. Obviously the intro video is nothing to be private, it should be shown to all the people. So this should be posted in some place which is a public platform like YouTube. I am keeping it default, and you can give the featured image here. I am keeping default. Submit for review. Okay, this has been submitted. Okay, and the course has been approved by the admin. Now let's go to the course in the front end. This is the front end look of the course overview here, course information, review. In here the reviews given by the students will be shown here. Question and answers. These are actually open-ended questions asked by the people. Announcement. These are the announcement created by the instructors. Course info, course by Mr. X-Man. This is the name which I have used to register. And course progress is shown here, start learning, complete course, etc. And okay, by the way, this course is free, that's why the start learning button is seen here. I have made populated the course with the video links, the demo video links, and the demo featured image to make you feel how the course will be when the course is co-populated with the content or videos. For example, this is the topic 1 and topic 1 lesson 1, creation of world. I have added a YouTube video. So this is the quick introduction of how to use the LMS platform and become an instructor here and use the full feature of it. But yeah, I did not go through all of the features that he currently has. You have to explore all the things to get to know all the features here, and obviously We are planning to integrate more features in the future, and those will be more surprising and more challenging. You will be really amazed to know or to see what are coming in the future.